All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
This is the reality of today's Bangladesh. The police and army are relentlessly beating people with batons. And who are these people being beaten? They are Hindus of Bangladesh, raising their voices against the injustices they are facing. In Hindu-majority areas, even ordinary pedestrians are being assaulted. These images are from Kamilla, Bangladesh. Last night, the skies of Kamilla echoed with chants of Har Har Mahadev. Barisal was also in turmoil. Hundreds of Hindus took to the streets, holding torches in their hands. At Barisal's town hall square, Hindu protesters staged a sit-in demonstration. The protests were a call for Hindus to wake up against the atrocities being committed on them in Bangladesh. In the capital city of Dhaka, similar chants resonated throughout the night, likely disturbing the sleep of Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus, who has turned a blind eye to the oppression and persecution of Hindus in the country. Such demonstrations took place in several cities across Bangladesh. Interestingly, many protesters held pictures and posters of Chinmoy Krishna Das in their hands. On Monday, Chinmoy Krishna Das was arrested from Dhaka airport. He has been accused of treason under charges of disrespecting the national flag. Today, he was presented in Chittagong court. However, his bail plea was rejected in court, and he was sent to jail. The court's order to send Chinmoy Das to jail has sparked a new movement in Bangladesh. From the courtroom to the streets, hundreds of Hindus blocked the police's path. Supporters stood in front of the van that was taking Chinmoy Das to jail, making it extremely difficult for the police to carry out the transfer. Eventually, the police managed to send Chinmoy Das to jail. However, this was followed by baton charges by the police and army on the Hindus protesting against his incarceration. Chinmoy Krishna Das Brahmachari is the divisional organizing secretary of ISKCON in Chattogram and a former spokesperson of ISKCON. Additionally, he is a leader of the Sanatan Jagran Manch. Chinmoy has emerged as one of the most prominent faces of the Hindu community in Bangladesh. He has been actively organizing movements to highlight the growing threats faced by Hindus in the country. Chinmoy has also been raising awareness about critical issues, including the declining Hindu population in Bangladesh and other challenges faced by the community. Chinmoy Krishna Das had been actively protesting against the attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. On 25th October, he organized a large rally under the banner of the Sanatan Jagran Manch at Laldighi in Chattogram. During this rally, he raised 8 demands concerning the safety and rights of Hindus and called for a march to Dhaka. Following this rally, accusations were made that Chinmoy disrespected the national flag of Bangladesh. Reports suggest that near the New Market intersection, not far from the Laldighi ground, a pillar displayed a flag placed above another flag of Bangladesh. Citing this, the police filed a treason case against Chinmoy Das and 18 others. This tweet is from ISKCON, expressing concern over the arrest of Chinmoy Krishna Das in Bangladesh. The tweet claims that Chinmoy Das is being targeted on false charges. It calls for his immediate release by the Bangladeshi government and also urges the Indian government to intervene in the matter. Shortly after, the Ministry of External Affairs, MIA, of India issued a statement expressing concern over Chinmoy Das's arrest and denial of bail. The statement highlighted, "We have expressed deep concern regarding the arrest and denial of bail to Chinmoy Krishna Das, the spokesperson of the Sanatan Jagran Jyoth in Bangladesh. This incident follows several attacks on Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh by extremist elements. Cases of arson, looting, and theft targeting minorities' homes and businesses, as well as desecration and vandalism of temples and sacred sites, have been reported. It is unfortunate that the perpetrators of these incidents remain at large, while false charges are being leveled against a religious leader advocating legitimate demands through peaceful gatherings. We are also concerned about the attacks on minorities peacefully protesting against Chinmoy Das's arrest. We urge Bangladeshi authorities to ensure the safety of Hindus and all minorities, including their right to peaceful assembly and freedom of expression. This statement reflects India's diplomatic intervention and growing concerns about minority rights and communal harmony in Bangladesh.